Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how we can save data that has been created in 3D Compose, which is an app that does not allow persisting of the data, the annotations, the markups that we create in this app inside the platform. So engineers who are working in product structure editor, they define all kind of annotations. However, there is an issue to save this content into the platform, and the way to do that is by a transition. So there is a way to transit this data into a 3D markup app, which will help you to do two major things. One is to save the data that has been created previously in the 3D Compose, and then to continue working on it, create new slides, update existing ones that have been created, and further collaborate inside the organization around the data that has been generated originally in 3D Compose. So let's see how this works. So I'm here working with the product structure editor. I have the 3D Compose, and let's say I want to just define the diameter of this circle. So in the tools, I simply select this icon. Okay, I have now the diameter here. I can highlight it by having coloring it, for example. And basically, I'm done with my annotation definition. However, I cannot save this if I want. So the transition would be to use it inside a 3D markup. So I simply go to the northern quadrant here. I find my 3D markup app. And I simply use the transition from 3D Compose into the 3D markup, and we can see this notification telling us that there has been transition to the 3D markup. And from now on, I can use the tools and I can save this content into my database. So I can create a new markup. Let's call it this way. Into markup of ARM. And from now on, I can generate more and more slides, and I can update this annotation, for example, or create some sectioning, for example, here. Okay. And probably I want to create a new circle. And every time I create a new annotation, the system will automatically save. So there is an auto-save that helps me to save all the changes I'm doing without the need for me to click every time on the save button. So it's really very productive, and it saves a lot of time while working on the markup updates and definition. Thank you.